What's happening, folks? It's your guy Rashad at Action Sports Bar and Grill out here in Kent, Washington, back with another video for our food truck build. If you like these videos, please make sure to give them a like, sign up for our notifications. That way you can see the other content we have dropping for the bar. Some cool kind of come to work, behind the scenes stuff. Always usually pretty entertaining. So this video was supposed to be our pickup video for the truck. Very exciting times. I say supposed to because it didn't turn out that way. So like a lot that has to do with these food truck builds, you got to be patient and you have to have a little bit of a tolerance for disappointment. So the idea was to take a small little vacation down to Long Beach, Washington, scenic Long Beach, Washington, and eat some good food, sit on the beach, relax, watch some sunsets before the madness of the food truck starts. And then at the end of the trip, drive the couple hours that it is to Portland, pick up the truck, and come back home for some events we already had scheduled at the bar. Didn't exactly work out like that. We did have a great time in Long Beach. Stopped by this amazing bakery, Dylan's Cottage Bakery in Long Beach. Really special place. Had some fantastic baked goods, and it all is for a really cool family that is pushing through trauma to go ahead and spread love. And so I love those kind of stories. So it was a good time while we were down there. We had some great dinner and cool walks on the beach, and just a really kind of time to kind of drop our blood pressure. Unfortunately, the truck wasn't ready when we went to go pick it up though. So it turned into a bit of a disappointment that way, but it was still a really cool visit. It was a really cool chance to see some behind the scenes footage that otherwise we would not have been able to get. So a big shout out to our partners at Gillespie down there. They did fantastic work. We also were able to see exactly how close we were to the finish line. I mean, all the way up to the very end of this video. I thought for sure we were going to be bringing the truck home that day to get it ready for our events, but it was not to be. So this was a bit of a heartbreak video too. I tried to explain it to family and friends as if you're a kid on Christmas morning and you wake up and tear downstairs and you see all the presents and you're like, I can't wait to open them. And then your parents come down and say, yeah, you got to wait until New Year's Day to open your presents. That's kind of what it felt like. It was very hard it took me like a day to recover from the fact that we weren't going to have the truck. So you're going to have to excuse me. Allergies are kicking my ass today. Really cool visit nonetheless. Just wasn't able to bring the truck home, but it's close. So stay tuned. The reveal video is coming soon. You're going to love it. The grand opening is right around the corner. You're going to love that too. So appreciate the support. Appreciate y'all checking us out. Make sure to stop by all our social media platforms and also actionsportsbar.com to see what we're up to. We out here on vacation, y'all. About to go get the truck. So this kind of counts as a truck video. I'm gonna call it a truck video, probably. It's the vacation before the truck. Hurrah. This is the last hurrah. We getting it in.
Big shebang.
The big shebang. How nice it is out there. Look at the Pacific Ocean showing off out there. I see you, Pacific Ocean. It's gonna be a very nice sunset tonight. Very nice. Very nice sunset. Ooh, that ocean looking right, see? Yeah. How nice it look. Sun coming off it. Come on. Come on, Pacific Northwest. I see you, Long Beach, Washington. Let's go. There's the Pacific Ocean, baby. Okay, we're going over to Sky's room next. These are super cute. Come outside. Right next door. She's a boss in here. Yes, ma'am. It's kind of late, huh? RV camper right now. Truck pass inspection. About to go pick it up tomorrow. Already planning our next 5 events. Just like that, all we needed was the okay from Labor and Industries, and we're good to go now, so let's do it. According to maps, it says we're in the water right now. That's us right there in the water. Low tide though. So instead, we're actually just chilling.
This is the switches, yeah. See, we're having to move this guy over. He was right over the
snap a selfie. Yeah.
Before, but because that speaker's there,
yeah, I think that looks
can't
perfect.
do it. So he angled the arrow to go towards it.
Perfect.
And then these are up above here. That was one of the other changes. And another speaker, so we had to scrunch it and make it smaller to fit. And then we got a speaker right in the middle of that one, but he just split the pipe. He just split the pipe and
that looks
so
great.
We did a good job figuring out the best way we could handle it.
I think so. Nice. That looks really awesome.
And here's Ryan.
How you doing?
Your stuff. This is your shop.
Ryan, nice to meet you. Thank you very much. The designer, how was it? How was the whole process?
It was fun.
Awesome. Awesome work. Hey, very, very happy with it.
Yeah, they're really liking the way it looks. Have you looked them back there lately? They're getting ready to switch out. Robbie's on his way in to
Looks
pick it up.
really good. The smoke effect is nice. All the little small details,
Yeah.
we caught it all. So it was, we're relatively particular folks ourselves too, so you did excellent work. Thank you.
Well, you also gave us more information as far as what you wanted to begin with than a lot of people do, so that made it a lot just
Point you in the right direction?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So it's good.
And this is Rusty. He's the head guy back here. This is
Rusty, nice to
Rashad.
meet you. I'm Rashad.
Rashad?
Nice to meet you too. How was the process?
Great.
Great.
Ryan is a great designer, and he was perfect for the project.
Absolutely was. Well, happy customer here, so thank you very much. Good work. Yeah, and we did a pretty good job of staying out everybody's way back there, but we just wanted to get a little bit of behind the scenes footage for people, so
I
it's
just gave
kind
him
of
a
cool.
quick tour around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Good stuff. Awesome. What do you think? What do you think? I think it's fucking awesome. I like the way that green is popping now. What's up with the green? Let me see if it matches. Let me see if it matches. Oh shit! Oh shit! It matches, y'all! Very excited. Had a little bit of backup, some unexpected hiccups, but we're after it. They're in there doing their things. They got a whole crew of guys trying to get the graphic wraps on so we can get the hell out of here. We're all the way down here in Portland, and I can't drive and come back and get it on another day. We're already down here, so we just have to stick around and wait until they're all the way done. But looks like the back is all the way done. The driver's side is like 90% of the way there, so they just have the front and finish up the rest of the service side. So maybe an hour, maybe two. I don't know. We'll have to see. But they've got 3 people working on it, so that's a good thing. We appreciate them trying to put a little hustle on it. They're busy just like everybody else is right now. It's hard, understaffed. You do everything you can though with the crew you got. So we're excited. Appreciate y'all. We'll let you see the final result when it's ready. Ooh, it'll be ready by golden hour maybe. Get some pretty pictures. All our clothes on. All our clothes on, baby.